5 persons under police custody lost their lives after the police vehicle carrying them to the Quezon City jail crashed into a wall. As such, the Philippine National Police or PNP has denied speculations, claiming the crash was intentional. Ryan Lisigas has more details in this report.
Aksidente. Tropa Kaya nag-aagaw buhay nga eh.
This person under police custody or PUPC was found lying unconscious on the road by several motorists along Payatas Road, Quezon City, past 11 in the morning last Friday. Beside him was a police officer who also appeared to be injured.
Umumutla na rin.
According to the Quezon City Police District or QCPD, the vehicle from QCPD Station 15 was transporting 6 persons under police custody or PUPCs to the Quezon City Jail for their commitment order when it crashed into a wall. In the incident, 5 PUPCs died.
Blunt trauma sa head and yung 4 po ay blunt trauma sa trunk. Yun po yung result ng medical po natin.
The PNP, however, denied speculations that the crash was intentional. As proof, they cited the severe injuries sustained by 4 police escorts of the PUPC.
Pag babasahin po natin yung mga results ng medical, grabe din po yung natamo ng ating mga police officers. Especially yung isa po na 7 yung ribs ang fractured. So, yung isa po hindi pa rin nakakausap because of the trauma siguro. And yung isa po ay dumudugo until now yung kidney.
The police driver of the vehicle has been charged with reckless imprudence resulting in multiple homicide. The Philippine National Police or PNP is also looking into all angles of the incident to determine the cause of the incident. This includes possible mechanical failure and human error.
Based po dun sa mga initial statement, na-lose control po yung driver natin, nahirapan siya kasi gumewang na yung sasakyan, and allegedly, may naramdaman silang kabig doon sa sasakyan po.
The PNP assures that there will be no cover-up in their investigation. In fact, the PNP has already sought the assistance of the vehicle's manufacturer to determine where the problem occurred that triggered the incident. Among the cases being faced by the deceased PUPC were theft, drugs, robbery, and grave threats. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.